Hey folks, Matt from Dispatch here. Just wanted to show you some cool new features we've added to Dispatch. So first off, you might have noticed the new sidebar here shows our workspaces, but if we click and expand, we can actually see all the folders in that workspace. And not just that, we go into the marketing here. You can actually take one of your emails and drag it into either one of the main folders, or even you can allow for nested subfolders now as well, which is pretty cool. And you can go and look at the other workspaces and folders you've got. Next up, if we click into an email here and go to the approval process, this is a much requested feature here, but when you submit for approval now, you can actually assign reviewers. So maybe I want to ask for Dylan's opinion on this email. I can tag him there. And even if he's not the workspace owner, he's going to get an email that he's been specifically requested to come and look at this email. And you can request multiple people to look at it. So maybe I'll ask Julia to take a look as well. And I can submit that, and they both get an email to take a look, which is really cool. Going back to the visual editor here, a couple new features. Again, we got the quick duplicate and delete here. So if I want to say, hey, just pull this out, boom, boom, done. It's pulled out of my email. Add in some new row styles as well. So you can set paddings and background color on each row. And yes, you can use your theme colors for the background colors as well. So you can choose to do that. Again, this is all configurable in the block itself on whether you want that to show up. Yeah, so make some quick features, make it easier to edit. You can see here we got some highlighting going on. What is this? Well, we've added support for changing text color and text background color directly through the visual editor here. And you notice in this case it is respecting theme colors, which is cool. And that's entirely optional and up to you. So you can pick how this should work. Which is always neat. We take a step back here. Big update in the admin section. Let's go take a look at that. New apps and integrations. What do we got here? Under our workflow integrations, well, we've got SmartLink and Phrase.com for localization, but webhooks is a huge new workflow integration we've added. You can add multiple webhook endpoints to your account, and this will fire webhooks for things like when a template is being submitted for approval or when someone has commented on it. And a whole bunch more. We're adding new webhook events all the time. And you can point this directly at Slack or to something like Zapier and get your dispatch events and notifications wherever you want it, which is really cool. Finally, we've added new permissions into dispatch. Specifically, we've added the developer permission by default. Developer permission is great if you want to give people access to come in and build blocks and modules within your account, but you don't want to give them specific access into workspaces. That's a cool new permission. And then finally, for our enterprise customers, we've actually added the ability in Dispatch to create custom permissions. And so you can configure, allow people to do one thing, but not next, completely custom to you and your account and your use case, which is cool. Yeah, as always, reach out if you have questions or comments or you want to see something in Dispatch, just let us know. All right, thank you.